actually was lying there, he realized that he had succumbed to the injuries. And the police actually comped there immediately.
Wakanyo ni ikruok dhi nyime motelo ni romo mar 11 mar counties mayudore aluora mar Nam Lolwe midendo ni LREB. Romo no chan ni timore kaunti ma Migori dweni kachakore tarik 14 nyaka tarik 16. Gavana ma Migori Ochila Yako wacho ni gimedo keto ikruok mar neno ni romo no nyuolo olemo ne gwenge makaluo.
We have this block because we believe that when we come together as 14 counties, we are stronger, we are richer, and we are more promising. This summit will enable us discuss matters economics, matters climate change, and matters blue economy. We will be looking at how we can leverage on our numbers, what projects are cross-boundary that we need to work on together, and how we will collectively and individually grow as a region. We're also going to bring in prospective investors who will, together with us, look at the opportunities that are available.
And we as the Secretariat are quite happy about the fact that we are having our first 11th summit held in Migori for the first time. And we know that a lot of things will come out of it. His Excellency has already told you that we anticipate having certain flagship projects launched even here. We have, and our vision and the vision of LREB, Your Excellency will confirm this.